So welcome to my vlog. Today we are going to jump my RC. And if you see some snow back there in the vlog, I'm jumping my RC on a snowbank. Even though I'm just wearing a t-shirt because it's the middle of spring and it's 50 degrees out. So here we go. Round 2. So last time it wasn't very successful, but didn't land on its wheels. So here it goes. Land. Here goes round 3. What happened? Round 3 was a success, but my camera guy got his finger in the camera, so here goes round 4. Didn't make it. So looks like we made that one, and now we're gonna go on to the wheelie competition. So this time we're gonna try to do some wheelies. Hope it works. So round 1 wasn't successful, but this is the last round. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Go.
Yes.